Yum Audio Tapestop does almost exactly what the name says. It also does tape starts. Big pluses for me are the option to sync the tape start and tape stop to the tempo of the project. When you set it to milliseconds, it will be a max of just under 10 seconds. When you set it to tempo sync, the max will be 4 bars. But this isn't capped to that 10 seconds. When the tempo of the project is slower, you can have an even longer start and stop. These start and stop work independently of each other, which is nice. And the same goes for the tempo sync and millisecond setting. The Tapestop plugin also offers the ability to start and stop in a linear way or with a logarithmic curve. And to round it off, there are 3 ways to influence the sound and add artifacts to the start and stop. Flux will introduce more wobble to the sounds. Muffle adds a high-cut filter. And Dust adds crackle and dusty artifacts to the sound. I prefer to have the start clean and the stop to have these artifacts, and these cannot be set independently. The good thing is that each parameter can be automated, which is something you should do in the mix with this plugin anyway, so you can set the sounds like that. The plugin is €75 with 50% off for the introduction. You need to decide for yourself if this pricing is worth for you. If you use the tape stop effect on a regular basis, this is a great plugin for you. If you use it once in a while, the pricing may be a bit steep. The link to the plugin is in the description. The video displayed on screen will show you 2 plugins which will enhance your mixes in a great way. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video.